Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to download WWE 2K25 Netflix editions on BlueStacks. Okay, if you want to try Android versions, you can play on your PC. So go to this URL. I will be providing the link in the descriptions. So you can use it and then click on the link once downloaded. And then you can see this, agree and install. Okay, for better performance, install BlueStacks on your SSD drive D or E. So I'm going to give install, okay, install E drive. Yes, okay, and then BlueStacks next and then install. Once BlueStacks is installed, you need to go to home and then you need to choose Play Store, Google Play Store. Then on the store, search WWE 2K25 Netflix editions. So simply tap on it. So you need to log in with your account and then install from Google Play. So once you installed it right, you'll be able to play. So that's it friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback to me in the form. Thank you. Bye. Take care.